back today, heading up to the Eastern Shore, heading across the Bay Bridge right now. We got 2 to pick up out here, one from KT Cars. Real good people over there, one of my favorite places to pick up from. And Farabee Towing, I have not been there. I've seen their trucks every time I drive up here though. So I'm not sure how that place is. It sounded pretty cool on the phone, but I guess we'll see once I get there. That's where I'm heading first. Not sure the condition of that car. The second one I'm picking up from KT's, that one's flood damage. I didn't think it flooded up here too much, but I guess that was wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I think we still got 40 some odd minutes left. So I'll get up with y'all once I get out here. Alright, let's get out here to this Lincoln. Nice. Roof is glass and it's shattered. Oh, it smells lovely. Took a little bit of a rollover, huh?
I'll tell you.
Let's see. Here it is. All up in the plastic. Take it easy. Let my feet are all wet. Let's head on over to KT's. I'll catch you on just a minute. Now, over here at KT's now, we got this flood car. Said it was up in like waist high water. It was definitely in it. Door pockets full of stuff. It smells hellacious in here. Glove box is full of water. And this thing was like deep. Gotta take my pictures. I forgot about that. I about backed right on into that thing. Back. Needed some injectors. It was running super bad. It's still not running the greatest, but it's running like a top compared to what it was last couple weeks. Didn't think I was gonna be able to shake the hoodie today. It's been kind of cold the last couple of days. I have a key. Woo. It smells like a swamp in there. Key's even full of water. That done. Oh, I didn't do that to begin with. I could just walk through instead of all the way around the truck. I don't think with my hip too much. say it every time. I need to go through this. Need to go through this damn toolbox. back onto the uploads. I was doing good for a little bit before we went up to New York when I got married, but between getting back, all the trucks, mainly this one and the other one, are having some issues. So didn't feel like recording between all that. That. It's been a while, so just as a reminder, I'm not able to film dropping off at IAA. They don't allow it. So that'll be it for this video. That's all I got lined up for today at the moment. If anything else does come about, then that'll be a separate video. But as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll catch you on the next one.